In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit or delete your Udemy course review on desktop. If you've ever left feedback on a course and later spotted a typo, changed your opinion after watching more lectures, or simply want to remove your written comments, this walkthrough will make it easy. We'll do everything on a desktop browser to match Udemy's layout and menu options. Start by signing into your Udemy account and opening the course you previously reviewed. Make sure you're viewing that specific course in your browser. From there, head into the course player, which is the main content page with the video player and the list of lectures on the left. You want to be inside the course itself, not just the public course landing page, because the review controls appear within the player view. Once you're in the course player, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a three-dot icon, sometimes called a kebab menu. Click that menu to reveal additional options related to your course experience. In that list, select Edit Your Rating. This will open the review editor where you can adjust both your star rating and the text of your review. In the editor, make the changes you want. You can update the star rating to better reflect your experience, and you can rewrite your review text to clarify your thoughts, correct mistakes, or add context after completing more sections. If your goal is to delete your written review, simply clear the text field so no written comments remain. This effectively removes the text portion of your feedback while keeping your star rating updated as you choose. As you edit, try to keep your comments constructive and specific so they're helpful to both the instructor and other learners. A quick proofread here can go a long way. When you're satisfied, click Save and Exit to apply your updated review. Your changes should take effect right away. If you don't see the update immediately, give the page a moment or refresh the course player to confirm everything has been applied. Remember that your edits will appear anywhere your review is displayed on Udemy, and instructors often rely on this feedback to improve their courses. That's all there is to it. You sign in, open the course, go to the course player, use the three-dot menu, choose Edit Your Rating, make your updates, or remove your written comments, and then select Save and Exit. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Udemy feedback accurate and up to date.